Hello everybody, it's MCJ Network. Today I'm going to be doing a Geokinesis tutorial, Earthbending. There it is. And as you can see, Earth is hard. Earth is rigid. Earth is whatever you, is what you would like to say. It's hard, it's rigid, it inspires the energies of rationality, practicality, reason. It's about pushing forward in a methodical, goal-oriented way. All of that. And tapping into this energy of Earth, knocking it down, tapping into it. We all know that in physics they teach you that solid objects like this one here, the force or the chi resists. And outside forces meets resistance. So you use your chi just like I just did to knock it down. So this is a little short tutorial on it. Get you some. I'm out here, join this the kinetic art, chi art. Get you some. You know, it's easier when it's surrounded by Earth. You know. So it's easier. So get you some rocks surrounded by each other. Do what you do. I ain't gonna make this video too long. Just want to get this out here. This is the last of my elemental manipulation series. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It took a year, but I'm finally done. I did electrokinesis the other day, and I did the other 3 elements some time ago. So y'all enjoyed. Finally got it done. I'm happy. So this is MCJ Network, and I'm out.